DJ's Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this very high spec Audi A5 2 litre TDI S-Line, finished in gleaming black, absolutely stunning condition. Got unmarked diamond cut alloy wheels with Michelin tyres all the way round. You can see the paintwork is fantastic. It's got rear privacy glass, again unmarked. Rear park distance control, full S-Line body styling kit with twin exhausts. It looks stunning. It's got the full black pack on it. Rear boots in lovely condition. All our vehicles are stored inside an indoor showroom. We'll just bring them out here to take the pictures and the video. Got full leather interior. S-Line embossed seats, electric windows, electric mirrors, electric seats. It's got satellite navigation to start the car up. Some 82,566 miles. It's got a flat bottom steering wheel in leather, multifunction steering wheel, cruise control. You don't usually get cruise control on S-Line. You've got auto headlights, 3-stage heated seats, multimedia pack. You've got Bang & Olufsen sound system. Is really fully loaded, this car. DJ's with full dealer facilities. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.